Charmin, what's this? Huh? Jeez. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, and to that I say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays for those who don't celebrate Christmas. Let's make some French toast, shall we? We'll be using vanilla. I know it looks empty, but there's vanilla inside. Some flour, some butter, one whole organic egg, some brown sugar, some milk, nutmeg, some cinnamon, one apple, one plum, and bread, of course. First, we're going to take our apple and we're going to slice it into two halves. Then we're going to slice that half into a half and slice those halves into, you get the point. We've done this a couple of times. Then we're going to take our plum and slice it straight down through the middle to the seed and go around and then just twist it open like this. Then we're going to slice that in half. Now, you could use a plum or you could use a peach. They're interchangeable in this recipe. I tried them both, I know. Next, we'll take our bread. We are using a brioche bread. It's a type of bread, look it up. We're going to slice it about 3/4 to an inch in size. Then we're going to take our cookie cutter and just make like little circles, like shapes, you know. This process is solely for aesthetic purposes. You can do without it, trust me. Once that's done, we're going to move over to preparing our custard with 1 egg, about a 1/3 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of flour. I didn't get a mixer thingy for Christmas this year, so I'm using my hand. Over medium heat, we're going to bring 4 tablespoons of butter and about 3/4 cups of brown sugar to a nice simmer. Once that's done, we're going to add in our previously cut up fruits to the mix, and we're just going to mix these guys up and let them sit for a bit. Make sure you're turning it so that the butter and the sugar melts properly, and just listen to this nice background music that I have laid out for you. It's not Christmas, but give it a listen. I like it. Once that's done, we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix these guys up for a bit and let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Take it off the stove and allow it to cool till it thickens a little bit. And now, what we've all been waiting for. 2 tablespoons of butter, medium heat. Dip your bread into your custard mixture. Don't soak it. Nobody likes soggy French toast. Do this for both of them. When you feel like it's ready to flip, don't. It's probably not ready. Let it sit. Have some patience, you know. It's gonna be there. You'll smell it. Layer your fruits over one side and layer your fruits over the other side. This creates a nice contrast when you taste it. The taste of the apples and the plums. And then just drizzle the nice sugary sauce. Borderline diabetic sauce. It's actually not that sugary, but it's really sweet. As in sweet as in good sweet, not sweet as in sugary sweet. You know, the Christmas kind of sweet. But if that kind of sugar wasn't enough for you, go ahead and drizzle some nice powdered snow over your French toast. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want more, go ahead and click down there. Enjoy the holidays, ladies and gentlemen. to do that again.